Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to take someone on Instagram Reels. If you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. First, you have to go to your profile and then click on the plus icon at the top. Then click on the Reels. Now select any of the video or a picture you want to share in your Reels. Let I select this one. Then click on the next. By clicking on the next option, so now you see the option tag people. Click on it and then click on the add tag. Once you click on it, it will move you to the search bar. Search the friend which you want to take in. So let I search for my friend that is fix your problem, which is my other account, and I will show you that I am really tagged in my other account or not. So then click on the tag mark at the top, and now click on the share icon at the bottom. So your reel is posting and the friend which you want to take is really tagged. So I receive a notification from my other account, you see at the top. So now I am going to my another account to show you that I am really tagged in or not. So switch into my another account and go to our home page, and you see at the message option, click on it and you see that the tagged you in their reel. So this is the reel in which I am tagged from my other account. So these are the short steps to tag your friend in your account. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.